Dear friends, in this lecture we will discuss the mechanism and orientation of electrophilic substitution reactions of five-member aromatic heterocyclic compounds with pyrrole, furan, and thiophene. So, in our previous lectures, we have discussed their structures and we have discussed that they are aromatic compounds. And one characteristic feature of aromatic compound is that they undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. Now, we will see how they react with how these five-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds that we have discussed so far, like pyrrole, furan, and this thiophene. We already know their structures, so how they will react with electrophiles. So we will see, because electrophilic substitution is a characteristic reaction of aromatic compounds. So let us see in the first, let us see the mechanism of electrophilic substitution. So after discussing the mechanism, we will see orientation. First I will take example of pyrrole. So all these three compounds, they have exactly same mechanism, so we can discuss with any one of them. So I will be discussing with the pyrrole. So let us say I will start with the diene structure of pyrrole, and let us say we have this electrophile. Now if we do the numbering before discussing, because we have to discuss orientation in the next class, numbering will start from heteroatom: 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and the second position is also called alpha position, and this is beta position. So we will use this terminology later. First, when I will be discussing the mechanism, I will simply showing the attack at this second position or alpha position. It may also attack third position called beta position. 4 and 5 are equivalent to 3 and 2 respectively. So without discussing much, let us say first this electrophile, it attacks on second position. Again, the first step will be like this: it will give its electrons, because electrophile need the electrons. So what we will be getting here is that, so I am just here showing that electrophile, it has attacked this second position. Okay, so here comes the positive charge. Now this will form a carbocation. This is a carbocation because there is a positive charge on carbon, and this carbocation is resonance stabilized. So let us simply write their resonating structures. Let us see how many resonating structures we will get. So here is H electrophile, and here comes the positive charge. So in the next resonating structure, it will come here, and this is the third resonating structure. So you can see this mechanism is almost similar to the one we have discussed with normal aromatic compounds like benzene, where first step is the attack of electrophile, and if when the electrophile attacks this heterocyclic compound, then we will get a carbocation, and this carbocation is resonance stabilized. So we get these three resonating structures, and I would like to emphasize on particularly on this resonating structure. This resonating structure is quite stable. The reason being, all these atoms, you can see, being it carbon, being it electrophile, being it nitrogen, they have complete octet. They have 8 electrons around them. So we know that from the basics of resonance, those resonating structures in which octet of each carbon atom is, each atom is contributing atom is complete, that structure is quite stable. So this structure is quite stable. So this is obtained. So this once again, first step is attack of electrophile, electrophile attacks this aromatic compound, give its electrons, then the carbocation is formed. This is the carbocation, which then is resonance stabilized, and when the electrophile has attacked this second position, or we can also call it alpha position, then we get a one resonating structure which is very quite stable because all the atoms they have complete octet. Now after this resonance stabilized, next step is quite clear. They have to what I call it, they have to regain their aromaticity because the aromatic compounds are quite stable. So how aromaticity will be regained? By removal of this proton. So first step is attack of electrophile. Next step is removal of proton. Let us see how proton will be removed. I will write this structure. When the electrophile attacked, we get this carbocation H. Now in this step, this proton will be removed, and we will get our resultant product, in which basically this hydrogen on carbon has been replaced by electrophile. That is why it is a substitution reaction, because one atom it substitutes others, or we can say it replaces other, and the atom that replaces is an electrophile. That's why it is called electrophilic substitution reaction. So this is the general mechanism. So this mechanism is quite similar to the one we have seen for other aromatic compounds like benzene. Other two compounds like furan and thiophene, they exactly show similar mechanism. We can quickly write their resonating structure as well. First let us write for furan. There is no difference, exactly same, plus electrophile, it will attack here. So I will be writing very quickly with their contributing resonating structures. Electrophile has attacked. Now it will undergo resonance like this. So here comes the positive charge H E. The next step it will come here. So we will get this resonating structure. Okay. Now similarly for thiophene, we can write exactly same. So there is not no difference, exactly no difference between the mechanism. Again electrophile has attacked. Here comes the positive charge, resonance stabilized this carbocation. Resulting carbocation that is obtained is resonance stabilized, and after this there will be loss of proton, similar to this step. So there is no difference between the mechanism with these three 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds. So this is the general mechanism by which these 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Now let us compare this electrophilic substitution with benzene. Comparison with benzene. If you remember, in the structure of these 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds, if we remember their molecular orbital structure, then carbon atom it contributes 1 electron towards resonance, whereas heteroatom depending upon whether it is pyrrole or furan or thiophene, it contributes 2 electrons. So electron density is higher at carbon compared to benzene. That's why their reactivity is higher. Reactivity is higher in uh, aromatic heterocyclic. In we will specify five membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds compared to benzene. The reason we have earlier given, now we will give one more explanation. The explanation that we have earlier given, depending on their structure, in five-membered heterocyclic compounds, let us take typical example of pyrrole. So this heteroatom gives 2 electrons towards resonance, whereas these carbon atoms, they contribute only 1 electron. That's why electron density is higher at these carbons, so their reactivity is higher the electron density, so more quickly they will react with electrophile, so their reactivity is higher. Now we will do give one more explanation which will explain why these five-membered heterocyclic compounds, they are more reactive than benzene towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Now coming back to this, so I emphasized here on this that in case of five-membered heterocyclic compounds, we get a resonating structure in which all the atoms have a complete octet. It is quite stable. But in case of benzene, we don't get such structure in which all the atoms have complete octet. Let us write in case of benzene how it will react with electrophile plus electrophile formation of carbocation uh, EH. Now this carbocation is further resonance stabilized EH. So you will see that here we will not get any structure in which these atoms they have a complete octet. So we get three resonating structures. In none of these structures have complete the atoms have complete octet. That's why because of this extra stability of this resonating structure, in case of five-membered heterocyclic compounds, these carbocations are more stable. Resulting carbocations in case of uh, five-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds, they are more stable than the carbocation that is obtained from benzene. The reason we have discussed, because here we get a one resonating structure which has complete octet around all the atoms, which imparts extra stability. So this is the next second reason which shows why they are more reactive than benzene. Now we have discussed two reasons for the higher reactivity of five-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds towards electrophilic substitution. One is higher electron density at carbon atom, because in five-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds, heteroatom gives 2 electrons, whereas nitrogen donates 1 electron. That is one reason. Second is the stability of the resulting carbocation that is formed after attack of electrophile, that is more stable in five-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds because of extra stability of one resonating structure having complete octet. Now with this general mechanism, let us write orientation of electrophilic substitution in five-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Now I will just take example of pyrrole because other have same mechanism. Now this electrophile has two possibilities. Once this electrophile attacks, we can get two structure. Either it can attack this second carbon atom, which is called alpha, or it can attack third carbon atom, which is called beta carbon atom. So it we will call alpha attack or beta attack at alpha position or attack at beta position. Now if it attacks at alpha position, second position, then what we get this carbocation, this He, this is the carbocation, and we have discussed its resonating structures here. So these are the resonating structures obtained when the electrophile attacks at second position or alpha position. So there are three resonating structures. We get 1, 2, 3 resonating structures. Now let us see if it attacks at beta position, what we get. We will get this here comes the positive charge. If it will attack here, positive charge will come here. So the resonating structure will be, now let us write its resonating structures. uh, we get this resonating structure. Here is the positive. So we get only these two resonating structures. Only these two resonating structures are possible when this electrophile it attacks at third C3 or beta carbon. So the number of resonating structures are less, so the stability of carbocation will be less. So this carbocation is less stable than this carbocation. So in we can say that we can say that in 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds undergo electrophilic substitution, preferably at C2 or alpha carbon, second carbon, or we can say alpha carbon, compared to C3 or beta carbon. So what we want to convey is that this is 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compound, so the electrophile will attack this position. These are equivalent, so it can attack any position compared to this position. The reason we have discussed, because when electrophile attacks at position 2, we get more stable carbocation. Why it is more stable? Because it has 3 resonating structures. Number of resonating structure is more than, so when electrophile attack at position 2, this second position, we get more stable carbocation than when the electrophile attacks at position 3 or beta, position 2 or alpha, position 3 or beta. And in that case, the reason being, carbocation obtained in that case has lesser number of resonating structures it has only two resonating structures. When it attacked beta position, these are two resonating structures. When it attacked alpha position, it has these three resonating structures. So because the number of resonating structures are less, that's why the electrophile preferably attacks at second carbon atom adjacent attacks at the carbon atom adjacent to heteroatom. That is the most preferable position for electrophile attack. So this is the orientation of electrophilic substitution. So thank you very much. So we just discussed that these five membered aromatic heterocyclic compounds being aromatic, they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Then we discussed their general mechanism and we discussed why they are more reactive than benzene. Then we discussed the orientation, that the preferable position for the attack of electrophile is this one, at carbon atom adjacent to heteroatom. Reason being, we get the carbocation with higher number of resonating structures. So with this, I will end the lecture here. In our next lecture, we will see the examples of these reactions in case of pyrrole, furan and thiophene. We will discuss their chemical properties. We will see some reactions with which we can understand their chemical properties. So thank you very much.